Alrighty, so how do you get around the workshop site? Well, let's start with the top navigation. Under Workshops, you will see all the different workshops we offer in their separate sections. In the Artie and Denise's section, you will see our annual Summer Symposium. These are all paid events. In the Webinar Wednesday section, you will see our free monthly webinar series that you can watch at any time. Under the On Location section, you will see where our presenters are presenting in person at other events or conferences. If you see a little white check mark that says Enrolled, this means that you are registered for that workshop or webinar, so expect to hear communication from us. Alright, now let's head over to the Presenters section. When you go to the Presenters section, you will see a picture of all the presenters, their social media links, and if you click into a presenter, you will find their biography and sessions they have presented on Musicplay workshops. Click on the Learn More to either watch the webinar or sign up to the paid event. Under My Account, you will see several options that are unique to your account. My Workshops will bring you to a list of workshops and webinars that you have registered for. Certificates is where you will find all the certificates of completion organized by session. You earn a certificate of completion when you complete the quiz associated to the workshop or webinar, and they all appear here. Edit Profile is where you change your name, email, and password. The first name and last name that appears in your profile will be the one that prints on your certificates, so double check it. Billing Details is where you will find your billing address and receipts. Please make sure your address is updated so that you are charged in the correct currency. Remember that at any time you can send an email to support@musicplay.ca if you have a question about the workshop site or your account.